Hey guys, my name is Dhruv. I am a data analyst with 5 years of experience. My expertise lie in Power BI, SQL, Python, uh, and stakeholder management. I have delivered various uh, projects across various domains such as manufacturing, CPG, towers and tenancy, investment data, and so on. Uh, I am exploring my interest in coaching and mentoring in Power BI. So that is why I am launching this channel. Welcome to my channel, Power BI with Dhruv. So in today's session, we'll be talking about the essence of data science. I mean, in very simple language, what data science actually is, and where does Power BI come into picture. So let's dive right in. Imagine you are a ice cream shop owner in your city among numerous other ice cream shop owners. Uh, every every season, people line up outside your shop and to buy your mango ice creams or chocolate ice creams. But you're not just another ice cream shop owner. You are hungry for more, so you start thinking in terms of growth, and you want to become the best ice cream shop in your town. So now you think about which flavor ice cream is the best seller, who is like which days are very busy and which are not, like weekdays are busy or weekends are busy, which supplier is giving you the best deals, or where you are you losing your money, such kind of questions, right? So when you start thinking in such a way, then uh, you start documenting your data, right? Like every other transaction which happens, you record it, you keep it in a record, or you store it somewhere, you keep it with you, right? This collection of data and organizing the data, in simple words, is data engineering. You don't need to be an IT engineer. Simple uh, s- like storing your data in Excel files is also fine, right? Now once you have the data, now you think about and identifying patterns, right? Identifying patterns, which is the best seller, as we talked about, which days are very good, which are not, what is your sales projects, what is your sales and all, what are your expenses, such things. So with data, you'll be able to find out those patterns, right? Once you have that, analysis is nothing but data analysis, right? That analytical thinking is nothing but data analysis. Now once you have done the analysis, you also want to predict how you are performing, how you will be performing next season, or will you be needing any staff for next season, or and so on. You get the gist, right? So this is nothing but you are applying machine learning. So this prediction thing, you are for this prediction, you will be applying machine learning and such thing. Will not be talking about this in throughout this session. We'll be discussing about data analysis and visualization. So to do it, there is a tool, there's a complete tool which helps you. You don't need to be a coder or expert in math. It's called as Power BI. So Power BI is a tool where you will be uh, collecting data, transforming your data, analyzing your data, putting it into visuals, creating powerful stories. So powerful stories will help you uh, grow in your career, or grow your business. Like every best data analyst is a best storyteller, is what I'll say. Now uh, yeah, we'll be next session we'll be talking about Power BI. Yeah, we'll start with Power BI. So for now, I'll need your support. You like, share, and subscribe. This will be a fresh, new channel for you. Thank you, guys.